Hello, welcome to class once again. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Instagram app. If you don't already have one, how to download it and then sign up to create an account. So first, what you do is you go to Play Store, like I have here. This is the Play Store. Okay, so you go to the App Store. Go to App Store, click on it, then come to the search space here. This is the search space. So you select it and then type Instagram. So as you're typing, it's already coming up, so you can just select it. So this is how it appears. Now it's showing open here because I already have it installed. If it's not already installed, you will see something like install or download. So let me use this Instagram Lite as an example because I don't have Instagram Lite. I have the normal Instagram app. So I select the Instagram Lite. The meaning of Instagram Lite is just a lighter version of the Instagram app, and you can see that it has a lower megabyte. The size, it has a small size. Okay, so normally if I don't already have Instagram app downloaded on my phone, this is how it appears. You see the install button, which you will click on to install it. So you select the install button and then it shows you this other button, cancel or open, and you can see that it's already installing. It's already installed. So next you see open, click on open. It's opening now. It's opening. Okay, normally it's meant to take you to a fresh page, but click sign up. It will ask you, let me show you. It will ask you if you want to sign up with your email or your phone number, or if you already have an account, then you click on login here. Okay, but because we are trying to open a new account, to create a new account, we will be using sign up with email. So I click sign up with email. Now we have option of phone number, we have option of email. So for me, I would like to use the option of email. To show you, you select email and it's already bringing my email, but I will be using another one just for the purpose of this class. And let me use this. So the next thing is for us to click next. Okay, so you will need to enter your confirmation code. Yeah, it's always 6 digits. I explained it in the short notes that I dropped in the academy. So I will need to go now and check my email. So I come in. And check for Modukola. Okay, so this is it. This is the code, the 6 digits code sent to me to open the account. Then I'll go back. I have copied the code and then I'll paste it here. The next thing is to click next. So next it's asking me to enter my full name and then create password. So I'll enter my full name. Say Modukola Olayinka. Then I'll create password. The minimum you can have is 6 characters, mixture of letters and digits, that's letters and numbers. So let's see. Let me enter. Okay, so I've entered my password. It's asking me if it should, yeah, save the password. If you click save password, it means automatically the account will be saved on your app. Each time you come, you don't need to start logging in all over again because the password is already saved. But I will not be clicking that option, so I'll uncheck it. For me, I will be going with this option. Remember, the purpose of this account is the purpose of it is to use it to teach in this class. Okay, so I click on continue without synchronizing. Next is birthday, your date of birth. Click on next. So it says Modukola Olayinka, your account is almost ready. So at this point you have the option to either click on the next button or you want to change your username. Or you want to change, if you want to change your username, you can change it here right away. But I will just go on with the next button. It's already creating the account. So the next page it's taking us to is for us to add a profile photo. Yeah, I also explained this in our previous classes, how to add your profile photo. So you can skip it, or you click on add photo. If you are just creating a new account, you might just want to add it immediately. If you already have a picture or an image that you want to use as your profile photo, you can add it immediately, and you can also do that later. So I'll skip it. Voila, our Instagram account has been opened. So if you come down here, you will see some icons down here. We will be taking them one after the other in our next tutorial. But for you to check your personal page as it is now, you click on this icon with head and shoulder, sort of. So you click on it, and then it takes you to your page, as in your page layout rather. So you can see we are here. This is Modukola Olayinka. I'll show you. This is the username up here. That's the username. This is my name. Remember, it was asking us if I want to. It was asking me if I want to change the username. So instead of having Modukola Olayinka 8 up here, I could have just changed it to something else. So that's the username, and Modukola Olayinka here is my name. Then we have edit profile. We already treated how we can edit our profile, and because it's a new account, you can see there are no posts yet, no followers, and I'm not following anybody. Yes, that's because it's a new account. So in our next class, we'll be taking each of these icons down here one after the other, how we can make use of them, the purpose of each of the icons. We already treated how to edit profile. We know how we can edit our profile. We know how we can add pictures to our profile photo. And as you begin to make posts, as you begin to post your posts, the number of posts appear here. The number of people that are following you, your followers, appears here. Then the number of people that you are following appears here. Okay, so that will be all for this class. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss subsequent videos.